Day 21, my friends. Coach Vigue here. Day 21 of your 30 days of morning yoga program. Today we're going to be doing some balance work. Core strengthening in the center, of course, working the balance of the arms and legs around the core with a lot of breath, a lot of focus. Start your day right with Coach Vigue and you'll have the most extraordinary day. I hope so. Remember, the link to all 30 videos in this program is down below. Click that and they're all yours, free. Today's random question is, if you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? What? That's the one from today? Oh man. These questions, let us know below. I have to know. Serenity now. Okay, let's start with seated breath. Let's calm down. It's the humidity. I feel so alive. It's great for the skin. All this oxygen down here in Florida, I am working it. Let's breathe in the nose and out the nose. Seated cross-legged position or sitting on the heels. Inhale, bring the arms up. Balance, of course, is not just physical. Exhale down. Balance is mental. So we bring it all together. No distractions. Not even the crazy leaf blower back there. Florida likes to blow their leaves and grass around and around and around. Inhale up. Feel the glutes rooted into the mat. Exhale as the hands come down, open the chest. Slide the shoulders down, tuck the chin slightly. Stretch the back of the neck 2 more times. Once more, take the arms up, this time moving into cactus arms, slowly sliding them down. Okay, turning, hands and knees position, balancing the cat. Right hand down, extend your right leg, keep it here with the hands down or extend the left arm, 5 breaths. Inhale, lift, press into the right arm, exhale, lengthen. Stretch out the body, stabilize with the core. As you breathe in the nose and out the nose, filling and emptying the lungs. All right, take the arms out. Ooh, there we go. A little more of a challenge, more weight with the leg and the arm, out to the side. The diagonal cat. 1 more breath. Good, very strong in the center. Other side, right arm, left leg, or just do the one leg or the one arm. Practice, practice. Consistency in your training. That's when you start to see improvement and honest, positive results. Okay, that wacky balancing the cat, arm out, leg out. Make your abdominals, low back, hips, and glutes work for it, stabilizing against those that arm and that leg. Press into that left arm, engaging the muscle, engaging the bone. 1 more breath. All right, back into the center. Sitting on the heels, always take those shoulder rolls. Inhale up, exhale back. Oh, I got some goodies on here. I got some dragonflies too. They like what we're doing here. They keep coming around to inspect. 1 more time, lift, drop. All right, hands and knees position. Once again, same arm, same leg. Right leg, hitch the nose, right arm. Try to keep that right hip bone down, square as possible to the mat. That's very challenging. 3 more breaths. Man, the sweat is flowing like a fine Okay, other side, left leg. Hello, Dragonfly. That's the title of my next children's book. Left leg, left arm. Look at that. Wobbling. The core is adjusting. It's making adjustments to keep us lifted, to keep us anchored. Okay, bring it down. Let's bring it up to tree pose, one of the most classic of physically balanced poses, also working the mental balance. Okay, I swept that mat over with great balance. Open the hip. Heel below the knee or above, or take the ankle on the thigh. Shoulders back and down. Find a point of focus. Hands together, shoulders back and down. Let's breathe. A little softness in the standing knee. Let those inhales, they go deep, deep, right down here underneath the rib cage. Pooching out like an inner tube right there. No shame. We just pooch it out. Ho, ho, ho. Take this leg down. Back slightly. Left arm up. Engaging the glute. Soften that standing knee always. Never lock out the joints. Beware of that in our poses, in our stretches. Okay, other side. Find that tree. Just don't put the heel right against the knee. You don't want to push it out of alignment. You want to keep this string tight though. Fix the blouse. 5 breaths. You may also close your eyes for more of a challenge. You can start that with a squint. You ain't shy. Okay, back leg out, right arm up. Call on me in class, please. Good, very smooth. Let's transition into eagle. Feet hip width apart, press back into chair. Let's take the right arm forward, left arm goes underneath and around, fists here or hands together. This is a half eagle. Where am I going? So we press back, fingers up, shoulders down, elbows forward. If you want the full one, take your left leg high on the right leg, wrap it around as much as you can. Wrapping it around. Within reason, 3 more breaths. A lot of beautiful stuff happening here, my friend. Let's savor it with a breath. Okay, unwind. And then other side. Wait, did I just do that? Left arm forward, right arm around, right arm underneath. I have nightmares about doing the same side twice in eagle. Absolute nightmares. Nightmare fuel. Keep it here or wrap that right leg around the left. Either from doing it in a video or teaching it. Teaching is extra bad because nobody tells me. Two more breaths. That's good stuff. Shake it out. I like to just enjoy that vista right there. Tree pose once again. Find your variation. Hands together in the front or add some delicious Coach Vigue movement. Inhale up. Whoa, got excited. Exhale, open, cactus arms. Excitement is good, passion is good, but you have to temper it with balance. Temper it with focus. So that every movement becomes so joyfully effortless, we can't stop. Tree nose itch. One more time. Up. Open. Focus those eyes. Focus. All right, other side. I like this one. Definitely opens the hips nicely. Bunches up my boxer briefs. All right, hold here or inhale up. cactus arms. As these arms come down, feel your body lifting, as if it's lifting out of the ground. You're hovering slightly, elevating. Two more times. We're bringing it all back to have the most extraordinary day. Slowly on the last one. Okay, stepping out, triangle pose. Turn the back foot in, open the front foot. We're here, hand on the leg, reaching the arm up. Try to smash yourself in between a door and a screen door here. If you want to go further, the advanced option is called a half moon pose. I'm going to step this foot in a little closer. All the weight's going to come onto this left foot. Hands down. Lots of different, that's not a way to get it. Hey, look at this guy. Okay. Lots of ways to get into it. I like to use this one. Sometimes I flow right into it, but change it up. It's the transitions that require the attention. So we're flattening out, just like in the triangle. Softness in the standing knee if you want a little more. Oh, I'm chancing it, aren't I? You grab that foot and draw it back. I'm going to keep it. 3 more breaths. All right, come on down. Oh, that breeze. Love. Where do you think you're going? Triangle, other side. Trust me, you get a breeze in Florida, you grab onto it. You ride out that breeze. Marinate in that triangle for a few breaths. Even if you're thinking half moon, think triangle first. Sequence of events, definite levels to prepare your mind and body for what comes next. But also savoring what's happening right now. Yes. All right, half moon people, come this way. Make sure this hip is open, foot is pointed forward. See if I get some good wobbling. I don't mind wobbling. I hardly ever edit that out of a video because it's real time, it's happening in real time. It means my mind and body need to adapt better. So I'm forced to adapt in real time. Hence, that's how we get improvements. We get stronger, better balance, better fitness. You can also grab that foot. Wobbling is good. I always say it builds character. All right, come on down. That is some good stuff. A little shake here. What did I write here? Half Russian. I don't think I'm Russian, but I'm still going to do this one. Let's open up this hip. So modified version. You can always go back to the tree, work on the tree. Anything, place your hand on a wall or a tree if you need to. First variation, hand under the hip, arm out to the side. Opening that hip, softening that standing knee, shoulders are down. A powerful balance pose requires great alignment, great posture. Relax the neck. You don't want to roll forward here. Now if you want the full, you could take your index finger and middle finger and thumb around your big toe, or grab the outside of the foot. I don't think I've done one of these since moving. 3 more breaths. Relax, Sean, relax. Play it cool, boy. Real cool. Yes. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. All right, other side. Priming. Do it for yourself. Don't do it for me. I can't see you. I know you're doing a great job, but I can't see you. Do it for yourself. Here or half Russian. I call it the half Russian. I did professional theater for many years, and I did a number of Fiddler on the Roof productions, always as the Russian guy. But Russians are where you jump up and do the splits in the air. They're insane. I don't know if I ever did those, but here's one half of it right here. It'd be madness if I lifted up my other leg right now. Pure and utter madness. Yet. All right, down. Ooh. I come down to a seated position. Always recover nicely. Okay. Last one. We have a half boat, shoulders back and down, balancing right here on our glutes. A little bit of our sits bones here, shoulders back and down. Activating the abdominals with each exhale. Now, if you want to go further, I love saying that because you know something is coming that we may not do right now, but maybe later, maybe right now, but it's something. It's the extended boat. Grab the feet or the ankles, extend the legs up, drop the shoulders down. Now, right away, you're going to have a battle here with your hamstrings and calves in relation to your low back and your glutes. Drop the shoulders so it all comes together. It's just like a seated down dog variation. 3 more breaths. But it requires such mental clarity, such deep, open breath to maintain something like this with good form, good posture, experiencing great endurance levels in your practice. Mental fortitude, I like that. Because the mind, a lot of times will just sit there and chirp and say, no, stop, no. That can be good if you really need to stop, but sometimes it gets in our way. You have to know the difference. You have to find that balance. Each one of us must find it for the most effective kind of training. All right. Look at that. Shake it out, my friends. Well done, Coach Vigue. If this video helped, please, right now, click that subscribe button. Click the notification bell to never miss a video from me. Like the video, share it with everyone. Everyone, the link for all 30 days of this morning yoga program is below. Today's random question, by the way, this is day 21. Lovely balance flow. You want to see more balance flows? You put it down below. Today's random question, let me read it right here. If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? You know, I didn't even think about this, but right now the only thing I can think of is grape nut flakes, which I could never find in Colorado. I find them periodically down here in Florida at Publix, only periodically. They're like a mystery, like they run out of whatever that special ingredient is. Grape nut flakes with some, maybe some cashew milk on it too. I don't eat a ton of dairy. I get congestion. Anyway, that's a whole other thing. All right, my friends, I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow for more fun 30 days of morning yoga. And as always, until then. Hey, my friend, it's Coach Vigue once again. I want to give you a special gift to show you how much I appreciate you training with me. It's my most popular 30-minute yoga routine from my exclusive Sean Vigue Fitness training app. All you have to do is click the first link in the comment section below and you'll get that video immediately, and I'll add you to my mailing list.